All this happened at the Kitalikibi Mixed Farm Land premises located in Chinyabakazi village of Mohokia Town Council, but also extended to some parts of Mohokia Sub-County, where Zephyr Mubingwa, the Deputy RDC in charge of Busongora counties of Kasese district, accompanied by Rwenzori East Regional Police, flagged off the exercise amidst stranded residents.
Last week we agreed with the community that we do the boundary opening today. Today, the 15th of January 2024. So I just came to flag off the exercise of boundary opening. Good enough, the community and the community presented the surveyor, independent surveyor, and then our office also sanctioned.
The exercise of the boundary opening saw residents raise their eyebrows in wonder, and through their chairperson LC1 Chinyabakazi village, Lawrence Wambale, questioned how the land which they have occupied for over 40 years belongs to someone else whom they don't even know.
If at all, maybe they released land that they didn't know, probably through the laws that were there by then, 1990, that was land decree. I'm told it was made by Idi Amin, former president of Uganda. This land already had people who were already staying there. So we are wondering how they could have released it when these people were there and they never informed them. So it's today that people have discovered that they are living on a land which has title under someone's name whom they had never heard of.
He also added that his people have nowhere to go, and instead the one claiming land ownership should be the one to seek compensation from governments.
I don't think my people would be accepting to leave land which they have stayed on for some time. Maybe those who seem to be claiming the land title, they can only maybe thinking of compensating the tenants, or I should call them occupants of the land.
The Kitalikibi Mixed Farm Limited land has been subjected to court for a number of occasions since 1990, pulling ropes with Leo Bitanihirwa as the defendant, but in 2016, the Chief Magistrate Court of Kasese under George Mfitundinda, Magistrate G1, ruled the case in favor of Kitalikibi Mixed Farm Limited. Potondio Mjenyi, the family representative Kitalikibi Mixed Farm Limited, confirmed that their land has a registered title regardless of the alarm raised by the current occupants.
This land has been in the courts of law so many times. It was between Leo Bitanihirwe and Kitalikibi. So twice Kitalikibi has gone to court with Leo and found himself losing. So later on, the people who were fighting died. The old men, they passed on. So the children and the grandchildren are the ones now who sat and said, now we can agree.
However, Zephyr Mubingwa, the Kasese Deputy RDC, clarified that the process of boundary opening was done as a mandatory procedure after the owners of the land showed up.
So they came to our office presenting the court documents and asking that they want to enter their land. So as the regulations are, we held a district security committee meeting, and that district security committee meeting recommended on boundary opening first, the first boundary opening.
SP Lukambusa, the acting police spokesperson, Rwenzori East Region, appealed to the residents to remain peaceful for equitable justice to prevail.
My appeal to the community always to be peaceful. You know, when there is anything and you want to know the truth, you need to go in a legal way, a way of being advised. I have this problem. How do I handle it? And then you go to such people, so that we don't be as if we are land grabbers or people are grabbing land.